How to track steps without Apple Watch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to track your steps on iPhone without the Apple Watch, here is how you can easily set it up. First of all, you need to enable the motion and fitness tracking. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and search for Privacy and Security. Once you are on the Privacy and Security page, scroll down and find the option of Motion and Fitness. Once you tap on it, you will see fitness tracking. Make sure it is toggled on. Also ensure the health app is enabled in that list. Once that is done, search for the fitness application or tap on search bar to search for the app. Once you set it up first time, you might need to enter some of your personal information or details. After that, you can see your step count as well as step distance. You can also use the health app for the same. For this, head over to your home screen again and search for the health app. The icon is a white background with a red heart. So once you search for the health app, just open it. Then after you will see the summary section where if it is pinned, you can see your steps. However, if it is not, go to the browse button, tap on activity, and here is where you can check all of your steps and it is tracked as well. You can even pin it to check it on the summary data. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.